Hi, it's truly Camelia from Say So English. Here I am to tell you all about another very common English expression. Today we will learn about the expression come rain or shine. Have you ever heard of anyone say this before? Come rain or shine. Come rain or shine. Come rain or shine. Basically, come, rain or shine means no matter what. Something will happen no matter what. For example, if I said, Camellia will write a story every day, come rain or shine. No matter what happens, Camellia will write a story, come rain or shine, every day. I hope this helps. If you have any questions about any common expressions or you have a common expression that you want me to go over, then please put them down in the comment section and I will definitely go over them. I hope you have a wonderful day and I'll see you later. Bye bye.